You have nothing but imagine. Zikhohle. You are beautiful. Zikhohle. Uzesikhundleni esiphakeme kodwa into njani? Zikhohle. Angeke uhlabelele uNkulunkulu usasazi wena. Yabona bazalwane kunento engifisayo bakubanda ethi I'm happy to the team. Zion move. Zion Buhle beZion. Lele nikwenzile lokho. I'm praying to God. Ngiyathandaza. Masidibana next time. Asibese commemoration. Sihlambe simbeke. And I promise you Lord ukuthi mayiyohleleka kahle ngesikhathi. What overseer Nxumalo did today ukuthi eze nebandla licule li-entertain. That is what I wish in next competition. Kumele incwadi God praise us. Ithi siyacela. Now abakezi uzocompete. Niyezwa bazalwane. Abakezi uzo but ngalesikhathi computer they are there and entertaining.